My name's Rachel Smith. I'm from the Western Isles and I work in the hospital in Medical 2 and I don't have any Gaelic. I think, well, I know having Gaelic would be very useful in my job because a lot of the patients that we have speak Gaelic and sometimes if they've got dementia, it's what they go back to and it's the only way that they can communicate, so it's very useful. The benefits I see of a bilingual education is that there's more opportunities for both languages, and a lot of my friends have gone on to do jobs in teaching Gaelic and also in the media, and I didn't have them opportunities. I would say to anybody who's considering their children for Gaelic medium that they should definitely go for it, because I wish I'd been put into Gaelic medium, as I found it very hard to pick it up growing up, and there would be so many more opportunities for them.